How to create a DiDi account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a DiDi account. DiDi is a ride-hailing service based in China, similar to Uber and Lyft, and it provides transportation solutions through its mobile application. Now if you want to create an account on DiDi, first of all make sure you have installed this DiDi application on your device. Once you have installed it, tap on it to open it. Once you open it, you will land on this welcome screen. Here you need to enter your correct country code and phone number. You may also use the Facebook account or Google account in order to sign up for this account. If you want to enter a mobile number, then tap on this enter mobile number box and here enter your number. Once you have entered your number, make sure you choose the correct country code. Tap on the current country code at the top and from the list here find the country code. Now once you have entered your correct country code and the phone number, you need to tap on the little circle that says I have read and accept the terms and conditions. Now after that you need to tap on this next button below. Now DiDi will send a verification code to your phone via SMS. You need to wait for the code and once you get that code, you need to enter the code in this provided field. After you enter the code, it will verify your phone number now. After that, at the bottom, a pop-up will appear. If you want to access your location to DiDi, you need to tap on this agree button. If not, you can also tap on not now. After that, you can see you have successfully created an account on DiDi. Now you can tap on the three horizontal bars from the top left and from there you can see your profile. You can complete the sign-up process by entering your first name and last name in this box. So by following these steps, you should be able to create DiDi account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.